Peggy 18.
At the heart of Assassin's Creed 3 lies a radically redesigned game engine we call AnvilNext. This proprietary technology renders seamless worlds of nearly infinite possibility, transporting you deep inside America, before it was America. From vivid natural landscapes to accurate portrayals of life during the American Revolution, you'll experience the tumultuous reality of the birth of a new nation. Innovative artificial intelligence will enable you to meet and interact with the diverse characters that made up the early colonies. Due to advancements in the AnvilNext game engine, you'll encounter up to 2,000 non-player characters in a single sequence. You'll travel on board and into the action, taking your place in epic sea battles where wind and water simulation force you to assess sea conditions as you battle your opponents on the open ocean. And at the heart of the action stands Connor, the conflicted hero of Assassin's Creed 3. Prepare yourself to battle a physical world rendered in astonishing detail, where dynamic weather systems challenge you with extreme conditions in all 4 seasons. Our most complex and technically advanced assassin to date, as Connor, you'll move through the Assassin's Creed world with remarkable precision and fluidity, enhanced by more than 1,000 new animations for Connor alone, resulting in the most detailed third-person action character ever created. Prepare to surprise yourself with entirely new combat maneuvers unique to Assassin's Creed 3. Connor's Native American heritage is evident in his unique approach to combat and his choice of traditional weapons such as the bow and tomahawk, giving you new tools with which to hone your abilities as a master assassin. In this world of divided loyalties and uncertain allegiances, you must find your way. Welcome to the un-United States of America. A frontier to be tamed, a continent to explore, and a war to be waged.